Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Yandere simulator on PC. So, let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC. Once you are in. Now, in the search bar, type Yandere simulator. Once you type it, hit the enter button, and multiple results will appear. Now, from the results, click on the first link. Once you are in the official website. Now, scroll down until you see this beautiful, adorable button that says download. Just click on it, and you'll find yourself on the download page. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down a bit more until you see another wonderful button. Here, you can download the launcher. Just click on the download launcher button. If for some reason this doesn't work, there are alternative links provided on the page. You can use any of these links to download the game. Congratulations! You've now successfully downloaded Yandere simulator. Once your downloading is complete, simply go to the File Explorer, and in the download folder you will see your downloaded file. Now, right-click on the file, and then simply extract the downloaded file by clicking on the Extract Here button. Once it's done, then start the launcher. When you start the launcher, then you will see Install button. Click on the Install button. After the installation is complete, you can finally play Yandere simulator on your computer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tutorials and fun content. Thanks for watching.